Okay, this is a demonstration of Project 8, starting with instruction 1. At the top of the document, draw a rectangle that is 8.5 wide and 2 inches high. Position it so that the shape is 0.5 below the first blank paragraph, and then center it using a line center. So go to the Insert tab and the Illustrations group and Shapes and choose Rectangle. It said to put it a 1/2 inch below the first paragraph. Be sure your show height is on, and we want it a 1/2 inch below that. And it doesn't matter what size, because I'm going to go up here and make it the exact size. It said 2 inches by 8.5. Okay, and align center it, which we will do under Arrange Group, Align, and choose Align Center. Be sure you don't make the mistake of going to the Home tab and thinking this is the Align Center, because it's not. It's under, for shapes, it's different. Instruction 2 is to fill the shape, so go to Format and Shape Fill, and they want it filled with a gradient, and they said the first row of the second column, and it's linear down. I always hover my mouse over, look at the name to be sure I do have the right column and row. And there's the fill, and then they also tell us to remove the outline, so no outline. Instruction 3 is to add the text, so I'm going to right click and add text, and it's comfy, chair, and restoration. And I'm going to enlarge that so I can see that I typed it right. Instruction 4. So for instruction 4, we're going to copy a style into this document using a template from another document. So to do that, we need to first go to Styles. So on the Home tab, in the Styles group, we want to open the dialog box. So hover your mouse over the bottom of that, and that opens the dialog box. And the reason for that is Manage Styles is in the dialog box. It's the third icon over at the bottom. And we want to import export. We're going to import a document in here. Okay, these are the ones that are in the document I'm using right now. And these are the ones that are in the normal document that's in every document that you use. So to do this, what we have to do is close this file, and then we're going to open the file that we downloaded to use for this, which is in, for me, it's in Downloads. I don't know where you put yours, but mine's in Downloads. And then I can see that company name, so I click on it and I copy it over. I don't need to copy the remainder of them. I think everything else is okay. If you wanted to copy more than one, you just hold Control key down and move it over. But company name is the one that needed to be moved over, and now I see it over there. So I'm going to close this and close the Styles dialog box. And then I'll see if it worked by selecting Comfy Chair Restoration, go into Styles, and there's company name. And so I click on it, and it applies that style to it. if you have trouble with instruction 4, go back to the example in the training, because there's a good training on that instruction. Okay, that was instruction 5 also. And I will stop there.